Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Wipro is hiring for the graduate engineer trainee. This is the bulk hiring for the Wipro Limited. So guys, don't forget to apply for this job role before closing date. So guys, in this video we will see how to apply for this job role from the Wipro and the eligibility criteria, roles and responsibilities which is required for a candidate. This all detail we will see in this video clearly. So guys, don't forget to share this information. Watch the video until end to understand all the eligibility criteria for this graduate engineer trainee from Wipro Limited. Before getting into the video, please subscribe for this type of latest off-campus drives, company related information and interview experiences, and like the video, and please share this information to your friends, WhatsApp and Telegram groups. So let us get into the video. The position from the Wipro Limited is the graduate engineer trainee. To apply for this job role, the application deadline is at the 1st December. So before closing date, please apply for this job role and share to your friends also. And coming to the eligibility requirements for a candidate to apply for this job role is the graduates in BCA and BSc in the IT stream and BSc in the CS stream, and the BE and BTech all branches can apply for this job role. And experience is from 0 to 1 year, so freshers can apply for this job role. And candidate ready to sign in a service agreement for the 1 year with the Wipro. So if you're ready with the service agreement for the 1 year, you can apply for this job role. And candidate should be familiar with the testing concept and SDLC, and the excellence troubleshooting and communication skills is required for a candidate to apply for this job role. This is the minimum requirements for a candidate. If you want to apply for this job role, go through the link in the description. After clicking on that link, it redirects the page of T2C. So after redirecting, you can see all the details of this graduate engineer trainee role, and just click on the button register. So after clicking on that, it asks to enter your login credentials of D2C. If you have any account before, then just enter your details. If you don't have the D2C account before, then just click on the button sign up. So after entering all the details, just click on the sign up and register your account and enter your login credentials again. So after entering, it asks to enter your personal details, educational details, and I have to upload your resume also. So after entering all the details which is required from the Google form, so just enter all the details. So after entering, just click on the button submit, and the further information will be communicated with candidates through the mail. So please check the mail thoroughly after applying the this Wipro Limited graduate engineer trainee